So we also have integration rules for the inverse trig functions. Again, these are basically just the opposite of the derivative rules for the inverse trig functions. So let's look at 31. Try to match it up with one of the forms here. This one matches up with the secant. So we got to kind of be careful here because we have x's and we have a's. The x's are going to be our variables. The a, in this case, is equal to 6 because the 6 squared would get you the 36 there. So my integral is going to be 1 over 6, and this will be inverse secant of x over 6, and that's plus c. So I'm really just following the formula. For 32, we have x squared plus 25 on the bottom with a 2 on the top. This one most closely resembles the tangent inverse. So in this case, a is equal to 5 because 5 squared gets you that 25. The 2 is basically just going to kind of go along for the ride, so it is going to be on top of that fraction on the outside. So like with number 31, we had 1 over 6. Here, instead of having 1 over 5, it's going to be 2 over 5. And this is the tangent inverse of x over 5 plus c. So these ones are kind of interesting, but basically just follow along the integration formula and you should be okay.